Hi everyone, so I'm back with another review and demo of one of the best organic brands here in the Philippines, and I'm talking about Human Nature. And this is called a Human Nature or Human Heart Nature, because there's a heart right there, so I guess it's Human Heart Nature. And I got two products from this brand. I actually tried their sunflower oil before, and I used it to remove my makeup and as well as to moisturize my under eye area. I love that oil. And I also got this Human Nature Tinted Lip Balm. So today I'm going to show you guys how I use these. And I got these from Beauty Bar in ATC, Alabang Town Center. And it says here, where beauty comes together. So I love that tagline. Anyway, I got these from Beauty Bar. I think this is the one of the few Filipino makeup brands that are included in Beauty Bar. So yeah, I really like the quality of their makeup. But for today, I'm going to show you this. It's like a bronzer or contour powder. I'm not really sure, but for me, it's just like a bronzer and not a contour shade, because this is just too light for a contour, but it's not that dark enough for a bronzer as well, so it's in between like a face powder and bronzer, I think. So yeah, this is the mineral pressed powder in Boracay Bronze, and this name actually caught my attention because I love Boracay and I love bronzer, so why not? Boracay Bronze. So this is how the packaging looks like. So let me just put this here first. This is how the packaging looks like, just a black compact powder, and then when you open it, there's like a, what do you call this, makeup applicator, and there's a mirror, and the powder looks like this. There's a heart, which is a cute touch. So yeah, I've used this like twice, I think, and I like it, but not for contour. So as you can see, this color is like not too dark for me for contour. So I think I'm just gonna use this as a bronzer, and I'm just gonna show you guys right now how it looks like on me. And it's actually much darker in real life than how it looks like on camera now. But yeah, let me see if I can show you guys how it looks like. So yeah, so it still looks lighter, but in real life it's a tad bit darker. So I'm just gonna use a clean and brand new brush to apply this, because I don't want to use like a used brush, otherwise you can't see the real color. So I'm just gonna get some of that and use this as a bronzer. So I don't know, I'm just gonna apply it like a contour on this left cheek and probably like a bronzer on this side. But I'm gonna blend this contour after. So let's try this first as contour. Well, I tried it now, and I think that you can use this as a contour shade, especially if you're lighter, if you have lighter skin. What am I talking about? So yeah, I think that you can use this as a contour, but very subtle and natural. So I'm just gonna find a brush to blend this. Well, I take back what I said. It's actually nice as a contour as well, so yeah. And on this side, I'm gonna use it as a bronzer, like an all-over bronzer. So when I say I'm using it as a bronzer, I'm actually not creating any line or contour. I'm just trying to warm up my skin tone, and yeah. So this is the side that I just used it as a bronzer, and then this one I contoured with this powder. So which one is better. So I use this as a bronzer, this is a contour. And now I'm just gonna warm up my face using this as well. And so I always contour here and here, and as well as my jawline. But you know what, guys? I absolutely love this color for contouring, and it looks really natural, especially for daytime. You look like you stayed under the sun for like an hour or two. It just looks really fresh and sun-kissed. Well, the name says it all, Boracay bronze. So you look like you have a nice and sexy bronze on your skin. It's like, it's not like a scary contour shade. It's just really perfect for, I think, Filipino skin, just because it's, I don't know, I can't explain the color. It looks really natural. I actually really love this. So yeah, this is the Boracay bronze. What's this? Mineral pressed powder in Boracay bronze. Go ahead and check this out. This is really amazing color, and I swear it looks really natural. And I can tell that I'm gonna use this a lot. So let's add more. Let's try to apply this heavily now. So I'm just applying more. Alright, so this is how it looks like, and I'm telling you guys, the color is just, I don't know, this is probably my most favorite contour and bronzer shade out of all my contour products. So I'm gonna put this beside my normal contour color. So this is my LA Colors I Heart Makeup Contour Palette, and as you can see, this one looks more natural. So I usually go for colors like that for my contour, and beside this, it's just a lot different. This one looks more natural, definitely. Alright, so I give this 10 out of 10. Love this. So yeah. And now I'm gonna move on to the, oh, I forgot to tell you guys, there's like this thing right here, and I don't know, I think that it's better to use the brush. It's like, it's better if you're gonna use something like this, for if you're gonna use it for all over your face. They have lighter shades as well. I got the darkest, but I think they use this sponge or like this applicator for those lighter shades, but for this shade you definitely need a brush. Alright, so next is the Human Nature Tinted Lip Balm Flame Tree. So this is how it looks like, and sorry, I have dry cough right now, really bad dry cough. So it's nice that they put like the expiration date. So this will expire on June 20, 2019, and this lip balm on June 26, 2018. So this is the color, just like a brick red color, and that's the color that I usually go for when it comes to reds. So this is a tinted lip balm, and I've used this a couple of times already, and I really like it, especially the smell and the flavor, because it's really minty and fresh. It feels like as if you have like a peppermint what do you call it, aromatherapy oil, you know, like what you put in burner, and it smells like that. It smells really refreshing. So I'm just gonna put this on my lips. So there you go. It actually gives a really nice natural tint on your lips. And this shade is perfect for, I think, all skin tones because it's in between red and nude, so it's not too heavy for everyday use. Even in daytime, you can definitely use this. And right now it feels very minty on my lips, and I don't know, I like menthol stuff, as all you guys know. I'm just addicted to this feeling. Like, it's very relaxing, and that's why I bought this actually, because of the of the menthol. I think they have menthol here. So it says here, yeah, there's menthol, definitely. Mentha. Yeah. There's a lot of really healthy stuff inside. So, yeah. One last layer. Let's see. This is how far the pigmentation can go. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's just really, really nice. So, and it's really hydrating as well. The first Human Nature tinted lip balm I tried was very difficult to use. It's like applying candle on my lips. It was really difficult to apply. It was hard, and it's just not as buttery as this one. So this one I really like, and give this 10 out of 10 as well. If I'm not wearing makeup, I wear this sometimes and I'm ready to go. And that's why I love products like this. It's like a, you know, it's like it works the same as a lip tint for me, because it's not like lipstick, like it looks so unnatural. And so yeah, I'll definitely keep this in my makeup bag. And before I end this video, I'm gonna use this powder to contour my nose. So I'm just going to contour my nose with this. And you know what, guys, it's actually very buildable. The first time you swipe it on your skin, you won't see much, but if you add 2 or 3 layers, it's gonna show up really beautifully. You can't go wrong with this, because even if you apply a lot, it still looks natural. So that's why I love this. And if you're just starting with contouring, or yeah, if you're starting with contouring, start with shades like this so that it's not too scary for you. And yeah, so that is it for my review, you guys. I highly recommend these by Human Nature. So see you guys again next time. Don't forget to subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye.